Today we're gonna be making your classic whiskey sour. Now, I have never made a mixed drink myself besides like Hunch Punch, where you just pour a whole bunch of juice, a whole bunch of liquor, and call it a day. Now, today I am trying my best to make the accurate version of a whiskey sour. You guys are going on this journey with me. I have never made mixed drinks myself, but we're gonna try it out. I'm no bartender, and I also don't have all the fancy tools that bartenders have. So we're gonna look at the ingredients. So we're gonna start off with 2 ounces of bourbon. So this right here, this 1/8 of a cup is 1 ounce. So we're gonna give this a quick little, ooh! You know what, I need ice too. So we got our 2 ounces of bourbon measured up with our ice. Next, we're gonna need 3/4 of a cup simple syrup and lemon juice. So I made some fresh simple syrup earlier. They didn't have any squeeze bottles at all the stores I went to. So we're doing with a mason jar. And you know, it's gonna work just as well. And we don't wanna go all the way with this because this is 1 ounce. So we got that. And you know, we're gonna just, eyeball the lemon. What I think is 1 ounce. So, or 3/4 of an ounce. You gotta strain it with your hands, man. You know, I got a lemon juicer right here, but I chose my hands. We need an orange wheel and Marciano cherries. So we're gonna get the good wheel. Okay, that's not necessarily a wheel, but it's gonna have to work. We got this, we're gonna throw this in there, boom, and now, here we go. This is how you can tell I'm a real bartender. Am I doing this right? Okay, there we go. One sec. I had a special ice ball for this, but it ain't gonna work. So, here is the real pour. Zoom in on this camera guy. You know, it's not very much alcohol. That's like a fucking teaser. So maybe we should double that. See, that's more of a drink right there. My cat wants to smell it. Okay. Cat, chill out. Okay, we're gonna take a few pieces of that ice. A few of the good ones. 1, 2. See, that shit looks pretty. We're gonna take this. I saw them do it online. They took the orange and I think I did that the wrong way because it squirted towards me. Throw that in there, give it a mix, and then throw our cherry in there. Throw that in there. And that is your simple, what's the name of this drink? And this right here is your whiskey sour. It smells fucking strong, but it smells citrusy. It smells honestly really good. Okay, the first taste of the whiskey sour. Woo! That shit is strong, but that shit bussin' for real though. Oh my god. Woo! I got goosebumps, man. You know, that was pretty neat. I need to get used to the ounces, like the measurements. So that right there is about 4 shots. Jesus Christ. But it's also super sweet. It's really good. I'm not gonna lie. This drink is super good. I really enjoy it. Now, you guys are gonna go on this adventure with me, becoming a bartender, Because, you know, I want to learn how to do this shit. I want to be able to, like, when I have a bunch of friends come over, make them a bunch of mixed drinks and, you know, get everybody happy as fuck. So if you guys enjoyed the video, please be sure to give it a like. Subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Peace out, guys.